Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on Trello. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to search for the Trello. So I'm going to write the Trello here, and then we have to place the enter. So as you can see now, simply what we need to do, we have to click on this. So I'm going to click on it, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it has the option for the login, and I'm going to click on the login. So let's click on the login. And after clicking on this, as you can see, I haven't created my account, so I'm going to click on the create an account. So let's click on the create an account, and now we have to click on the continue with Google. So I'm going to choose my email here. So let's choose a random email. I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on this. So as you can see now, I'm going to click on create your account. As you can see, looks like it's your first time on the Trello. Create your account, never mind. So I'm going to click on the create your account. As you can see, the account is created. Now we have to choose what brings you here today. Organize ideas, works, take a personal tasks and to do, manage projects, team. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to choose this one as well. So we have to choose the one option. So I'm going to choose like a manage team. So let's click on this, try Jira. I'm going to skip this, and let's click on this. As you can see, enter a board name. For example, I'm going to write the my board here, and then let's hit the next. As you can see now, we have to provide a name list. So I'm going to skip these things. Let's click on the skip, and well, nothing. So I want to skip this as well. So as you can see now, I'm going to also skip this. So as you can see now, our account is ready to use. So in this way you can create your account on Trello. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your account. So see you guys in the next video.